MEA.atau. Alright, I'm not glad none today, even though I never get about to say again and again my wise word today. I always say my idiom word like I'm not glad none, but you know, I do love all that word. Alright, today I would like to discuss my material or my topic today about what thing want to do in your lifetime, right? Alright, first in my life, and then now I still focus for Aceh 5 kan, like Europe, Africa, United States, United Kingdom, Asia, making a film and then making a little bit video to promote Aceh 5 kan. People say they're crazy. Yes, indeed, this is crazy people, but I don't care about people, saying like that. But and then now I focus for learning Spanish and then Esperanto. Focus for got a lot of tourists to got Aceh. That is my dream. And then now, and then Aceh focus or famous, 5 countries. That is my dream. We got a lot of tourists to got Aceh. And then second, if I have a lot of opportunity in my life, I got a lot of money. I don't want to get married first. I have to focus for buy something like all part. This is my dream. 1.5 billion. You know what? Can you imagine that? No one can buy that. The rich people want to buy our part car. This is my dream. Yeah. Then going abroad, this is my dream. United States, I'm going to meet my friend there. And then Europe, I'm going to meet people there, like my surrounded people, see people there. And they know every single time, every single day, every single week. I'm making a call, WhatsApp, then Skype, Instagram, to practicing my Spanish language and then my Spanish language every single time, every single day. Because I don't have enough time to focus for watching videos under time, without practicing. The point is, always I have to do one time in my life. Going abroad very important. Focus promote Aceh 5 countries very important. And then learning the language is my dream in my time. Alright, that's my time. Let's speed it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right, question.